we're here with Trey, and he's from Texas, and you just told us like all the best spots.
While y'all are moving across the state, you need to go west of Austin to Fredericksburg, and then just south of there in Bernie, which is like the Texas wine country, and where all the hills are at. If y'all are going to be there, you said March 1st, so you'll hit Texas Independence Day on the 2nd, and the bluebonnets bloom like essentially this week. So all the wildflowers start coming out down there right now.
Nice.
New Braunfels is probably the most poppin' area in Texas. The other place you need to go to, and then Bandera is the cowboy capital of the world. And there's 800 people there, and every single one of them is the main character. So you'll meet some cool people in Bandera. You go way out west, Big Bend is something we really have to be proud of. And if you're in that part of the world, you may never make it back. It's essentially 12 hours from anywhere. Right. And
it's adventurous.
Right. In the continental United States, it is what do they call it? The most secluded national park there is. So if you really want to be out there, that's like the definition of out there.
Good thing we got Starlink for the band.
Yeah, right. There you go. You got some internet. And when I said that too, that y'all need to check out the coast before it gets too hot. Y'all need to take your van to the National Seashore, and it's a stretch of beach that you can drive on. So you can drive the whole beach for 88 miles, and you can just go out there. And I mean, it's free reign. It's a cool place.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. Best tips out there.
Right. So I'm gonna point you in the right direction.
Yeah, no, it sounds awesome. And Trey is, if you want to plug your contracting unit.
Well, there you go. My name's Trey Keenan with Barr Roofing, and we are renovating the Arlington Hotel here in Hot Springs, Arkansas.
So he's legit.
There you go.
Good stuff, Trey.
Thank you so much, man.
No, thank you.
And don't be afraid to get your feet a little wet.
No, we're going over to the Welcome Center, the Nashville Parks Welcome Center.
Yeah.
But there's another free bath, the People's Water, Trey's words. So we're gonna get in there, get our feet wet. Nice to meet you. Hey, maybe we'll run into you another time.
Oh, dude, I gotta dip my toes one last time before I go.
All right. You gotta talk to the people to get the good scoop. But if you're afraid to talk to them, just follow Matty Appleseed. We'll get those conversations happening for you. So let's dip our toes in, and then we gotta get back to the van because we only parked in the 15-minute spot.